While automation has revolutionized countless industries, the seafood processing and packaging sector has historically relied heavily on manual processes. Many suppliers still opt for hand packing due to operational constraints and the delicate nature of certain products. Fragile items such as fresh shrimp, scallops, and lobster tails require careful handling to avoid product damage, making human oversight essential. For these suppliers, precise weighing is critical for maintaining consistency and quality. This begins upon receiving goods that will be prepared and sold when operators use industrial food weighing scales. By accurately weighing the incoming goods, operators ensure that the inventory aligns with the packing list before moving on to the next stage. After seafood is cleaned, it may undergo additional processes such as flavor enhancement, deveining, or blast freezing. It is weighed a second time to ensure it meets the required specifications and adheres to quality standards before being prepared for packaging. Continuous weighing helps prevent errors downstream and sets the stage for operational efficiency. Industrial-style platform scales are used for their proven durability in harsh environments, and their affordability and seamless integration into manual workflows. Once prepared, products are then placed in primary containers such as bags, trays, or pouches, and vacuum sealed to remove air and extend shelf life. Packaging by hand yields an estimated 20 weighments per minute on average. Be sure to check out centralcarolinascale.com for buying advice and weighing scale recommendations.